very fierce war of words has escalated further because we just heard a short while ago at the BJP Sankalp Patra launch, Amit Shah rake up this controversy once again and really corner the Congress over it, over Nana Patole's response to this demand that has come in over various provisions for Muslims, essentially. That is a conditional offer of support to the MVA. Let's listen to how Amit Shah has put his Maharashtra opponents on the spot, particularly the UBT Sena.
उलेमाओं की कॉन्फ्रेंस ने, उलेमाओं की एक संस्था ने मांग की कि माइनॉरिटी को आरक्षण दिया जाए और कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष नाना पटोले जी ने इस मांग को स्वीकार करने का पत्र एक्नॉलेजमेंट एक दिया है। मैं महाराष्ट्र की जनता को पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी के ये मंसूबे के साथ आप सहमत हैं क्या? एसटी, एससी, ओबीसी, दलितों का, आदिवासियों का और पिछड़ों का आरक्षण लेकर मुस्लिमों को देने के पक्ष में महाराष्ट्र की जनता है क्या? हमारा संविधान धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण के पक्ष में नहीं।
And Arunil joins us now. Arunil, really speaking, in Amit Shah's speech just a short while ago, there were a number of big attacks, but it is perhaps this conditional offer of support to the MVA that has really caught the eye. The Congress seems to be very, very tantalized by this prospect. What's happening? What is the current status? What is the demand? What is the response?
Aggressive route after the ulema's conditional support to the Mahavikas Aghadi. The 17 conditions that were being laid out, in that one condition is very, very serious. What the ulema basically wants is all the people, Muslims who have been arrested till now since the 1993 Bombay blast, under the terror charges, they should also be given a reprieve. That is an extremely serious condition being put up by the ulema. I was speaking to some of the leaders from the Mahavikas Aghadi. They said that we will be in no position to accept these conditions laid out by the ulema. With respect to the 10% reservation as well, a similar kind of demand was made by Raees Sheikh, the Samajwadi Party leaders. Samajwadi Party is very much part of the India bloc as well as the Mahavikas Aghadi. Amit Shah as well, Home Minister Amit Shah, was speaking in Mumbai, taking out a massive attack on the Mahavikas Aghadi, basically saying that can Uddhav Thackeray convince Rahul Gandhi to speak good about Savarkar? He will not be able to do that. They are riddled with several contradictions. It is basically a khichdi, for the khichdi that has been formed only to come in power. That is what Amit Shah has also said.
Right.
And with respect to the support that ulema has provided to the Mahavikas Aghadi, he also spoke about it, that how a particular vote bank and a particular minority community has only been targeted by the Mahavikas Aghadi.
Most definitely. I think his main point was to highlight the contradictions within the MVA parties, but this very tempting offer for the MVA there from a prominent body, but they will have to really make a compromise insofar as the BJP's politics are concerned. Let's see once